Hello everyone, this is Tom with Top Navigators and this is today's market update for February 11, 2021. The overall market is still bullish, as you can see here. This morning they tried to slam it down, but they hold up at the moving average, so they bounce it back up while step back in. So overall, they try to defend the line here. So as long as they can stay uptrend, we will continue to trade with the long side. The Dow is also very bullish. This is the resistance now become a support. They still hold up pretty tight. The Russell 2000 a little bit pulled back today, but no problem. They still hold on to it. So a lot of small cap stock they get hit today on the canopy. So that's why this one here still go sideways correction right now. Technology stock is still doing pretty well, as you can see. Basically a lot of stock on the semiconductor, they make an all-time high again. So a lot of stock in this sector they do extremely well, like Applied Material, KLA, KLAC 10 Core, the Lam Research, Nvidia, they're all doing extremely well there. And the bio sector is still doing well, as you can see. A lot of stock in this sector is still doing very good, like the one we analyze on the weekly market forecast. You can see they make a new all-time high. Yes, they make another all-time high. MRNA, okay, when they hit to the last couple of days, they hit to the top. People take some profit, but overall trend is still bullish. As you can see, EVR, that's another one on the way up. Okay, either for you, they all try to find a way to put it to the upside. And the financial sector is after they hit to the resistance, so they slow down a little bit. So they try to build up momentum. If they can break out the area here, it will be very bullish for financial sector. A lot of stock in this sector, like Bank of America, okay, JP Morgan, they're also doing very well. And Goldman Sachs, as you can see, those stocks are pretty strong there. And the emerging market, a lot of overseas countries are doing very well. As you can see, we mentioned on the weekly market forecast that this ETF is still doing very well. Basically, like India, they do very well there, or MSCI China ETF also doing very well. Okay, the energy sector, they still go sideways after they hit the resistance, but they try to build a momentum to break out. So if they can break out, then they can find a way to push it up more, like ExxonMobil, okay, OXY, okay, so VLO, so the stock is very strong. So they will, if they able to break out, a lot of stock will find a way to push it back up. The XLC communication service is still doing well, especially digital communication service is doing well, like iBuy. Okay, as you can see here, they all doing extremely well to the upside. And Microsoft, Google, they're all strong. Okay, the only is Apple and Amazon that still go sideways correction right now. So right now, this morning in our live trading room, the market is a little bit choppy. So when I'm cut open, they try to put it back up, hit the resistance, couldn't go higher. So they turn around, they break below here, they put it back down, and then they come back up, and then they come back down until lunchtime. They drop to the bottom, they found the support, and they try to bounce back up until the end of the day. So, but we've been able to make some quick profit on the downtrend and uptrend here, but it's a little bit smaller profits today. I took a long trade, one short trade, so we're done for the day. The total net profit today is $1,044 for a short daily income. And beside daily income, we analyze a lot of stocks so that our members can share ideas so that we can see which stock is on the way up, so we know when to enter, exit. Okay, so that's what we do every day in our live trading room. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market before you take any trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And again, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the weekly market forecast. And take care and have a long weekend. Thank you, everyone. Take care.